Is there a specific audience your offer is best for? If so, try crafting a who-specific value prop using this formula. The only X for Y. So the only writing software for copywriters, the only collapsible cup for hikers, the only heart rate monitor for high-performance athletes, the only copywriting course for non-copywriters. These value props help your prospect identify as pre-qualified to be your customer. So in a world of collapsible cups, I may respond best to the one made for hikers if I am a hiker. And if I'm not a hiker, let's say I'm an on-the-go dad who's tired of buying bottled water but needs cups for the kids to drink from his thermos, I might really like that this collapsible cup is for hikers because that means it's durable, it's probably weatherproof, it's possibly crack-proof, all of which is good for throwing around in the back of my minivan. Now, an alternative approach is to make the who in your who-specific value prop about the team behind the product, which is a little bit like a how-specific value prop. You'd use it like this. The only X by Y. So the only wireframing platform by UX designers. The only washable wool sweater by Scottish artisans. The only feature flag ebook by the team that made Launch Darkly. And as always, of course, you can replace the word only with one that's more suitable, like easy or best. So the easy writing software for copywriters, the clever writing software made just for copywriters by copywriters, and so on. The who-specific value prop is great if you're trying to break into a market or category that already has a leader. So if you know who your early adopters will be, tailor your who-specific value prop to them. Then, once you cross the chasm to bigger markets and seek out broader adoption, you can modify your value prop at that time if the market needs you to.